Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on surface area part 1. The total surface area of any given 3D object or solid is the sum of all the areas of the individual faces that make up that 3D object or solid. Let's look at the cube, for example. Here is a cube where the 6 faces are all exactly the same. So for example, the area of one face will be s times s, so that gives you s squared. The surface area of the entire cube will be 6s squared square units. Now, if you are measuring in centimetres, that'll be square centimetres. If you are measuring in metres, it'll be square metres, etc. For the rectangular prism, the sides don't have to be exactly the same. So for example, the green is h times l, the orange is d times h, and the top is d times l. So the surface area will be, so the green one will be h times l, so you'll have 2h times l because you've also got the area at the back. The orange one will be d times h, but you have 2dh because you've also got that face there that we can't see. That's also a dh. And we have l times d for the top, but you have 2ld because you've also got the base. So when you add those up, that gives you the area in square units. Excuse me. So if, again, whatever the units are, if they're centimetres, etc., square centimetres, so whatever the units are, it'll be square units. For the triangular prism, the surface area of the front triangle is half a times b, but we double that because you have another one on that side. The surface area of this back section is b times l, there's bl. The surface area of the slopey side is c times l, and the surface area of the base is a times l. So you add all those together, and the area is in square units. So let's look at some examples of each of those 3D objects. Here's a cube. Now, since it's a cube, we know all the sides are the same. So the surface area of one face is 8 centimetres by 8 centimetres, which gives us 64 square centimetres. You multiply that by 6, so the surface area of the cube is 384 square centimetres. For the rectangular prism, the surface area will be 2 times 9 times 3. There's your 9, 3, but you've also got the height, the roof, okay, the one at the top. That's why it's 2. 2 times 9 times 4. Okay, so 9 times 4 is the front, but you've also got the back. And 2 times 4 times 3. The 4 times 3 is this small side here, but you've also got the back. When you work all that out, you get 150 square centimetres for the surface area of the rectangular prism. For the triangular prism, the surface area of this front triangle is half times 12 times 9, but you have 2 of them because there's one at the back. Now 15 centimetres by 11 centimetres is that slopey side there. 12 centimetres by 11 centimetres is the base, and 9 centimetres by 11 centimetres is the face at the back. So when you work all that out, you get 504 square centimetres. So the trick is to just go very carefully, find the surface area of each of the faces and just add all those together. So this video has given us a basic introduction to the surface area of 3 very popular 3D objects, and you just have to go very slowly and you'll get the answer no problems.